Hi, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Lesley Colquhoun and I work at MAATS.
And what's your role at MAATS?
Currently, I'm a commissioning and service engineer.
Great. And how long have you worked there?
I will be 9 years in September.
And what does a typical day at MAATS look like for you?
Uh, Having been at MAATS for so long, it can be anything depending on what the needs of the company or the project that I'm working on are at that time. Right now, I'm working on supporting a project through its final testing and assembly stages.
Great. What has been your most rewarding professional experience?
Um, I don't think I have just one. I've had so many satisfying moments over the years from just like solving little problems and learning a new skill, or then, your more obvious ones, delivering a big project at the end. But my most recent one was carrying out a service and upgrade job for MAATS with using new design and equipment. We had no previous experience on how to do this type of job. So it was really challenging to oversee the activities and develop all the time. But yeah, at the end, it was super satisfying to realize that we made it work.
Great. And what drew you into an engineering career?
I sort of fell into it, I always say, because I never really grew up in an engineering background as such or environment. It wasn't until I started to look at the courses that I enjoyed in school against the prospectuses and stuff for university that engineering degrees seemed to cover a lot of the things that I was interested in, the hows and the whys of things. And yeah, ended up doing mechanical engineering.
Wonderful. What are your hopes for the future of engineering?
Uh, I just enjoy that engineering is always changing and developing, so it's just always adapting to the new.
Wonderful. Great. And what would be your advice to young women interested in a career in engineering?
It's a really interesting and challenging career path. There's so many avenues that are opened within an engineering understanding, whether you gain that through the academics or just experience working with different people. I never fully appreciated the extent of engineering in day-to-day life until I started my degree, but that was then learning about uh, everything broken down to the design, manufacturing, site practices, the management involved with all of these things. And yeah, so a level of engineering is involved in everything around about us. And you never stop learning or questioning or thinking, how did that get made? And then you get to learn.
Wonderful. That's great. Well, thanks ever so much for your time today. It's been really insightful and interesting. And enjoy International Women in Engineering Day.
Thank you.